Okay, that's actually really helpful to know. It explains a lot about those after-screen meltdowns too, doesn't it? Why do kids flip out so much when it's time to turn things off?
Nessie's research points to a few key reasons. I mean, first off, it's just hard to stop doing fun things, right? Screens light up the brain's reward centers.
True.
Also, kids might have temporary problems with executive functions. Switching tasks is hard. Sometimes they might be imitating bad behavior they saw on a show.
Oh, interesting.
Or maybe stopping interrupts their progress in a game, which is super frustrating. Screen time might be replacing needed physical activity. Sometimes it's just overstimulation, or they have these big feelings, excitement, frustration, that don't just switch off.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So knowing why helps us figure out what to do.
Exactly. She offers proactive strategies, like experiment with different types of shows or games. Try different ways of stopping. Give those 5-minute or 2-minute warnings. Talk to them about the transition.